Hi guys, this is not your common setting, this is my kitchen. And also, this is not my common look, like I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, so for this video, I'm going to try to make a cheesecake. It's gonna be the first time of me making a cheesecake. And as if that was not hard enough, there are some challenges to it. It's Ramadan, I'm fasting, so I cannot taste anything during the process. So I won't know if it tastes good until it's iftar and I get to taste it. Another challenge is that I am not going to make your regular cheesecake. I'm going to make a Kinder Bueno cheesecake, okay? I don't know why I said it like that. Another thing is that my mom actually told me to halve down the recipe. We're not gonna do that because first of all, that will confuse the shit out of me. And second of all, my mom's not here anyway, so I can do whatever the frick I want. Kinder Bueno cheesecake. No bake. Oh, that's a good thing. We need 300 grams of digestive biscuits. I have these. I think that's good enough. 125 grams of butter, 600 grams of full fat cream cheese. Okay, wait. What if I pick some ingredients from all recipes and make one myself? That sounds like a plan. I don't know how big this is, but this will work. Oh, freak. I automatically, whenever I cook or make something, I just taste it or eat something. And it's just so automatic that I am so scared that I will do that right now as well. But we're just going to be more cautious and hopefully I won't do that. I think it's all good now. Yeah. Oh, it smells so good. Like, no kidding, you guys. I really wish you could smell this. Or maybe you know what it smells like, but oh my god, it smells like vanilla biscuit. It is crushed up vanilla biscuits, but oh. Okay, now I have kind of an internal conflict with myself right now. Should I do half the recipe or should I just not give a shit? I swear to god, quarantine literally makes everyone either a chef or a personal trainer, like a workout trainer, or a freaking artist, like a painting artist. Unsalted butter, and we need 150 grams of that. There we go. What? Oh my god, is this serious? Are you for real? This is only 25 grams, for real? Oh, oops. I could have just put on in the entire stick of butter. Oh, see, that's too much now. There we go. You know, I'm always super scared to make a lot of noise when I'm doing something. Like scared that my mom will come down because of the noise and that she will start minding my business and that she will start changing up the recipe and messing up my cake. That always happens. Measurements. This is 2 grams. I don't know if you wanted to know it, but now you know it's 2 grams. It's fun being a Virgo, trying to cook, trying to follow a recipe as a Virgo, because you literally want everything to be precise, but you gotta accept that it's not always like that. I don't know where the camera stopped recording, but it stopped recording. This is 150 grams of butter. This is what's left over. I told you guys that I washed my hands because I was touching the butter with my bare hands, but I washed my hands. Don't worry, you should wash your hands too, because we are in a hectic time, so wash your hands. Thank you. All right, now we're gonna make sure to melt the butter. Bye. Melt the butter in a microwave on a short burst or in a small pan over medium heat. Blitz the biscuits. Holy shit. Oh my god, it started to foam. What? Oh my god. I'm scared to touch it. It's like super hot. Okay, wait. I messed it up up already. Like, we're only on step 1, or that was 2. We're only step 2 and I already messed it up. Only I can do that. Oh my god, that's actually right. Anyway, besides the accident with the butter a couple minutes ago, everything is going great, I think. Hopefully this goes good. No, you know what? Law of attraction. This is going to go awesome. This is going to go well. You guys, the amount of times that I wash my hands is just ridiculous. I think I should have put more butter in it. But I followed the recipe, you guys. If this turns out very bad, I'm going to blame Jessica for creating that recipe, okay? Little story time. Growing up, I was so annoying. Like, if I look back at it, I don't know where the patience of my mom, especially my mom, my dad has the same temperament and character as me, so he was always fuming and he was always screaming at me. We were always fighting, so I'm gonna leave my dad out of the story. But my mom, I don't know how she did it, but if I'd be here and my kid would be like me, I would have just like you know. But oh well, we're still alive. I'm thankful for it. I want this crust to be as even as possible. It's going to be my first cheesecake, okay? Gotta make a good first impression, okay? I'm gonna make mama proud, or half proud, because she told me that I should have done half of it. Okay, this is going to be so much, but I think that I'm going to give a little bit to Anna. Oh shit, Anna's on a diet. But this is different. It's fine, it's fine. It's quarantine, guys. Every gains that you have during quarantine, it's not your fault. It's the snacks. It's the snacks, okay? Please don't blame yourself for it. I'm going to clean up the area a bit because it literally looks very messy. Look. Okay, what do we need for the filling? Jessica, tell me. 90 grams, 180 grams. Also, need Nutella because I want Nutella in it. I just really hope that it's not going to be too heavy. Hopefully everything will be fine now, because last time we used the microwave, it didn't go too well. I also don't want this video to be too long, because I feel like people will get annoyed or bored, or you know. Okay, I made a little mistake here, because the recipes told me that I needed 250 grams of Kinder chocolate and not Kinder Bueno. The difference is that I now have wafers from the Kinder Bueno in it. So what I'm going to do to fix this is I'm going to put this in the mixer along with the Nutella. Okay, so here's the thing. I only have 200 grams of double cream and 400 grams of cream cheese. So we're gonna have to do with it. It's 100 grams less. Double cream, it's not as commonly used as this one. This is fresh whipped cream, and the only difference is that this one has 10% less fat than the other one. So I really hope this tastes nice, otherwise I'm going to cry. with the crust. The crust has chilled in the fridge, and now we're going to pour this in here. So I'm just going to go like this. Alright, smooth it out really quick before my camera dies. The cheesecake needs to chill for about 4 to 6 hours. So that's what I'm gonna do as well. Chill for 4 to 6 hours. Donmuş. Oh, bu ne?
Zelf ook deze keer.
Deze keer? Dit is de eerste keer dat ik het heb gemaakt. Ooit.
Dit was toch ook heel twee.
Nou ja, toen dat cheesecake ja moet doen. Vind je het goed?
Echt nice.
Wallah hè?
Melda. Het proeft echt die Kinderbueno. Zelfs zonder die Kinderbueno.
Mijn leven is compleet gewoon. Okay, I'm gonna cry. Bye. Wat? Wat? Structuur is nice. Oh, thank you. Really?
Really?
Nice. I'm gonna try it myself now.
Bu benden bir yaş küçük var, 2 yaş küçük bu ya.
This is really, really good. Dat doet me echt goed, hè? Ik was echt bang dat hij vies zou zijn. Okay, that was it for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet and give this video a big thumbs up. Yeah, that's it. Bye.